Guys, so as you guys know, I'm currently on my second round of frozen embryo transfer. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys really quick my little medication bag, and you know how I set it up. I mean, we all know what's in here when we go into frozen embryo transfer. I mean, I know a lot of clinics are different, but this is a super quick video of my little bag, what I have in it, and just basically and how I draw out my progesterone shot and have it ready to go. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the bag, super cute bag. I got it from Ipsy. I think it was one of their spring bags. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I usually get a lot of these bags once a month, so I tend to put them to good use. So this bag, I am actually stacked and organized my meds for my current frozen embryo transfer. So just take a look inside, you know. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I organize it and everything. So the bag is super cute. I mean, you could use these for other things, but it just makes me feel good. You know, taking all these hormones does not make us feel good, so the least we could do is make everything look a little bit pretty and fun to do when we're doing it, even though it's not that fun. So this is the bag. So I'm gonna open it up, show you guys. So basically this is how I have it stocked. So I have my gauzes, all my gauzes here. I like to have these little pads. So I mean, I use the gauzes, but sometimes depending on the spur of the moment, I will use these. I have a bunch of these. Sometimes I use it for, like, you know, taking off my makeup, stuff like that. But, like, you know, sometimes, you know, when the oil spills and stuff like that, either if I run out of gauze, I will use this, but I just like to keep it close by, right? So I have my gauzes here. Here I have all of my alcohol pads and wipes. Here is my progesterone and oil. And here, of course, is my estradiol. So I literally have to take 4 milligrams 3 times a day. So I take 2 tablets each 3 times a day. So I take it at 2:15, I take it at 9:15. Sorry, I take it at 9:15 in the morning, I take it at 2:15, and I take it at 7:15, right? So you saw my little wipes, you saw the progesterone oil, you saw my Estrace pills, the gauze, and then these are all the needles with the syringes. So tonight I'm going to show you guys how I just draw up my progesterone oil just for the night, and I just repack my bag. But yes, sometimes I switch out the needles, so I would draw it up and then switch out the needles for a new needle for injection. Right, so I'm just going to show you guys. So let me take that out. Let me take my progesterone oil out. So I don't even really need to, I'm just going to take it out the box. Right, I already popped the cap off. Take out my alcohol pads, and I have this. I think I might just take a gauze out. Right, so I might put that to the side. Lay out my paper towel. Right, so I'm going to open up oh my gosh, guys, really, this needle, oh my god. So my progesterone oil, right? So let me just close this back. For the meantime, open up my alcohol pad. Always wipe the tip, right? Always wipe the tip. Right, I take off my needle. I have to take 1 milliliter, so I pull back the syringe at 1 milliliter to pull in the air. Then I flip my needle upside down. I inject it into the progesterone oil. Flip the progesterone oil upside down. I like to put it at the section where I can actually see what's going on. I push the syringe right back up to put pressure on the syringe and in the actual bottle, and this kind of helps the liquid flow right into the bottle, right? And then I literally draw it back. This is a little awkward position. I usually don't do this in this direction, but just to show you guys, because I can't see, right? So, and you guys see the liquid filling up, right? Sometimes if you see it stop, I tend to push air back into, because it'd be like an air bubble, air back into the syringe, the container, and I pull back again, and that's when it fills. Right, so you see I am filled to the line of 1 milliliter, and then I flip it upside down, take it back out, inject, put my cover back on, close it tight, and I leave it there for whenever I am ready to inject. Sometimes what I do, and that's just to let you guys know, sometimes what I do, I leave it there for injection, I remove the liquid tip and I replace it with a new one. So this is what I do. Some, you know, most of the time I do this. Sometimes I just inject it with the actual needle. If I'm wrong, oh well. I leave these apart and then I put them in my sharp container. So I leave this now for when I'm ready to, and I have to take it in. Right now it is 9 o'clock, so I have to take this at 9:15. So I have it there ready to go for 9:15. Right, so then I've just put my progesterone oil back into my box. Right, I have my, right. So basically I have my alcohol pad, I have my gauze, so when I'm ready to administer the injection. So everything else is back pre-packed, and oops. Pre-packed, and I close my little bag back. So there you guys have it. I have my injection ready. This is how I actually prepare my injection, and I have it ready to go for when the time comes. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. There's so much more videos to come. Bye guys.